Hello, how are you? How are you all? Well, I hope you're well. In the previous video, we already saw how to buy shares on Trade Republic, which I'll link to here. But now we're going to do the reverse operation. How to sell these shares that I have. Last time I bought these shares in McDonald's, but now I'm tired of them, okay? Not even a minute has passed, and I'm already tired of these because I'm losing, okay? €1, phew. I bought 20 and I'm losing €1. I want to sell it. I don't trust it anymore. Okay, well, stay calm. I'm going to show you how. Simply, we go to our Trade Republic account, okay? Which is this one. And here we look for the stock we want to sell, the company we have invested in, which in this case is McDonald's. We select it. And it shows you, this is the evolution, etc., etc. All the information, which is there, and we would click on trade. In trade, we can either buy more or sell. Sell. We read there, and you have 19.97 euros in stocks. How much of that price, of that value you have, do you want to sell? No, 100%, because I'm fed up, and I can't stand this anymore. Well, look, to sell 100%, okay, you press the button, but here it tells you, you have these shares. The stock price is at 277.10. How clever. When I bought it, it was worth 277.30 or something like that. That is, I bought it more expensive, and now I'm selling it cheaper. That's no way to do business. But well, you want to sell it, and that's it. Important, the commission will always be €1, no matter the amount you sell. That's the good thing about Trade Republic. So, you will receive 18.97. If you agree, you hit sell, and that's it. As simple as that. Well, thank you very much for watching the video. Give it a like if you enjoyed it, if it was helpful. I said, I'm not going to sell because I'm going to hold McDonald's to infinity and beyond. And, well, see you in the next one. Goodbye.